Parents, I want to give you a heads up. Our next segment may not be suitable for children. This guest has a solution to a condition that medical experts say affects about 5% of men at 40 years old, then increases to 15% of men at age 70. Coast Side Clinic offers surgery-free, drug-free, and non-invasive treatments to help patients who deal with ED. Andrew Reinhardt is a medical technician, and he's here now to tell us about the True Pulse protocol. Hi, Andrew.
Hello, that's right. So many men struggle with ED, and I am yet to meet a guy that enjoys taking the pill. Well, Coastside Clinic is changing the game when it comes to erectile dysfunction. We use the most advanced form of something called acoustic wave therapy, FDA registered and clinically shown to open up and regrow blood vessels, improve circulation in this part of the body, which is actually treating the root cause problem of ED. No pills. That, of course, means no more of those nasty side effects.
So, Andrew, it's been documented over time that many of the men who use pills to treat ED eventually need higher and higher doses. What's the cause behind that, and what does that mean when it comes to side effects?
Yeah, that's a great point. So just like anything, our body builds up a tolerance for something that we're consistently taking. And if you're taking the pill for ED, you're probably noticing that you have to take a little bit more of it, maybe every month or every quarter. That also increases the side effects. So those headaches and the blurred vision get worse. This is kind of a vicious cycle, not to mention the lack of spontaneity. The pill does not give us any on-demand function. The treatments at Coastside Clinic do, however.
Is there a certain window of time when men are able to use the pills to treat their condition?
Yeah, guys are always trying to time things correctly. You may get a few hours of a window out of that, although for a lot of guys, the pill never works in the first place. So they're not really sure. They lose that spontaneity. And of course, they have to take the pill and maybe more of it the next time.
So let's talk about the treatment you offer there at Coastside. How does it work? How long does it last? I mean, is it going to be painful?
It is not painful at all. A treatment is about 10 minutes. It delivers pulsating waves through the skin into the blood vessels, which agitate those blood vessels just enough that they open up and regrow, creating more blood flow where you want it, when you want it. It has been shown to reverse erectile dysfunction. It has been shown to get guys off of the pill. So that's really the big difference is the pills treat symptoms, we treat the actual cause.
And tell us a little bit more about the treatment and some of the science behind it.
Well, if you go to the science page at coastsideclinic.com, you can read, I believe there's over 40 clinical studies now. So this has been heavily vetted and heavily tested. In fact, Cambridge University even conducted a study on this. Now, all of those studies basically conclude the same thing. This is safe, no side effects. It's a revolutionary approach to treating erectile dysfunction, as one mentioned it, and the success rate is very high. So I personally think the pill may someday be a thing of the past.
And share some of the feedback that you've received from the patients who've undergone the treatment and the couples in general. What are they saying about it?
Well, they typically say that was much easier than we thought. And they always tell us how relieved they are to not have to take the pill or use injections. So I think they start skeptical and a little bit embarrassed. They go through just a few treatments over 2 weeks, by the way. This is pretty quick. And what a breath of fresh air to turn back the clock a little bit in the bedroom.
And what kind of incentive can you offer our viewers? Maybe you have a special offer that you can offer them if they want to try it out?
Yes, we have an offer today. Call us right now. We will do the assessment, the exam, even the blood flow ultrasound at no charge. We'll also throw in a little gift that produces immediate results in the bedroom. You'll love that. This is $500 normally. Call us right now. It is totally free.
All right, Andrew from Coastside Clinic, thanks for coming on to tell us about this treatment. If you want more information, again, you can visit coastsideclinic.com.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.